Hi there, fabulous first violins of 7th grade. Here is your tutorial. First, set your metronome to speed of 70 beats per minute, and we're counting the 8 notes. That means that an 8 note gets the beat, and two 8 notes make a quarter note. So basically it's twice as slow as we would eventually be able to play it. Okay, so this is the beginning. 1, 2, ready, go. Don't forget the two oboes, 3 and E. 2, 3, oh, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 4. Oh, oh, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, oh, 1, 2. Oh, oh, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, oh, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, A. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 4. Oh, oh, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, oh, 1, 2. Oh, oh, 1, low, 2, 2, 2, 1, oh, 1, 3, 2, above, 2, 1, A, 1, 1, 4, 2, 3. Rest, rest. 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. A, 1, 1, 1, 1. Rest, rest. A, 3, 1, D. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 4. Rest, rest. 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 2, 3, 1. Rest, rest. 1, 1, 1, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, 2, 2, oh, 1, 2, 3. Now we have flats. 2, 3, 3, rest, rest. 2, 3, A, 1, 2, 3, rest, rest. 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, rest, rest. E string. 1, 2, 3, high 2 for 4 beats, low 2 for 4 beats, 1, 2, high 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, high 2, I changed the bow because it's too slow, 2, E, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, low 4, 3, 4, 3, low 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 4, 3, E, A, key change. 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 4. Oh, oh, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, oh, 1, 2. Oh, oh, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, oh, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, A. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 4. Oh, oh, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, oh, 1, 2. Oh, oh, 1, 2, 2, low 2, 2, 2, 1, oh, 1, 3. Up, up. Oh, 1, 1, 4, 2, 3. Rest, rest. 3, three, two, 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 a, one, rest, 1, 2, a, 3, 1, D. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 4. Rest, rest. 4, 3, 2, 3, 1. Rest, rest. 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, 3. Rest, rest, rest. 1, 3, 8, 3. Now I'm going to speed it up. So after you practice, you will speed through different speeds, but I'm going to go directly to 100. So you would want to be able to practice it at 70, then at 80, then at 90. But I'm gonna skip those steps. I'm just gonna go to 100. So whenever you're ready for 100, here is your tutorial. 1, 2, ready, go. A. 2, 3. Up. Rest, 21. Rest. One, two. One, two. Rest, rest, rest. Up. 3, 4. Rest. 4. I'm going to move to 120. Now it is 120 for the 8th note. 1, 2, ready, and. Rest, rest. Rest. One, two. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Rest. Get the rhythm. Pa, 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 pa. Up, up. 3, 4. Rest. Three, 4. Now we're going to go to 140, and 140 signifies an important step. This is where we're going to switch from 8th note to a quarter note. So 8th note would sound like this. However, now it's time to go back to 70. And this time we're going to start counting the quarter note, okay? Because the 8 notes are starting to become too fast. So this is 70, but for the quarter note. Ready? And. rest, 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 rest. Okay, now we're getting really close. We're gonna go to 90 for the quarter note. All right, I won't record it any faster than that, but good luck practicing.